Without an iota of doubt, the iPhone mid is one of the most loved features of macOS Sequoia. While it is pretty easy to set up and use, there are certain functions that are a bit hidden, including the ability to force quit apps. For times when you want to take control of the apps that are freezing or crashing or misbehaving, for that matter, force killing will have a role to play. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to launch the iPhone mid from your Mac's dock. And then you have to authenticate to proceed. And then you have to drag the mouse pointer at the top edge of the screen. And now a hidden slider will show up with multiple buttons. And then you have to click on the app switcher icon located at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have to swipe left or right to find the app that you want to force kill. And then you just have to select the app in question and drag it all the way up to force quit it, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily force kill apps in iPhone mid on your Mac in macOS Sequoia or later. And now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and a great time. Bye bye.